Hello, Drone Racers. I'm Mark, and today on Drone Racer 101, we're going to give away some stuff. It's June, so that means we need to end last month's giveaways, we need to start the new giveaways, and thank our patrons. And that's what we're going to do first. Man, I love all you guys who support the channel on Patreon. I really appreciate it, but you've got some difficult names. So first up, we have new patron Robert Filge. I think he's listed as Bobby on here or on Facebook. I'm not sure. We actually end up chatting quite a bit about different kinds of stuff. So thank you very much for the support there. Abu Safian, Simon Naughton. I'm going to go with Naughton. Raphael Ruprecht. I'm not sure. I'm not absolutely sure. And Andy Rick. Wait, no, that's Andy RC. Actually, I recommended he follow some other channels just so he can see what they're doing. When he started his Patreon page, I recommended he do the same thing I did, is just follow everybody else and see what they're doing, and then copy them. That's what YouTube is all about. But like I said, I really appreciate the Patreon support. I buy most of the stuff on the channel. And that allows me to do things like pay way too much for the R9M module to get it here fast so I can show you how it works. So you can decide if you want to spend your money on one. And then it also makes it so I can give all this stuff away instead of posting it on eBay. And it's way more fun giving it away. So we started 3 giveaways in May, and there was a little confusion. I went back and watched the video just to make sure. Let's get this out of the way. The Aomway Commander goggles are given away for my birthday. That is July 6th, so we still have a little while. We did hit the 10,000 subscriber goal, so these definitely are going away to a winner. But this giveaway is not scheduled to end for another month. So I debated whether I end early or not. I decided not to, since it's already set there, and maybe some people have some ideas on things they want to do for that, and I didn't want to cut them off. So, but more on that in just a little bit. First up, for the YouTube subscribers last month, we had the E56 drone. This was a fun drone. If you didn't see the review of this, it comes with this little nunchuck here that you use to fly it. It's a really unique experience, and it was really easy to control with this. I actually like that. I just won't use these kind of drones myself a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this away. Okay, I'm a mature, grown adult. I can get through this. All right. Deep breaths. Okay, the winner of the E56 drone is Susanna Farto. There, I did it. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything more because I'm guessing that she had a rough childhood. But it's Susanna Farto is the winner. I'll contact her through email. Okay, all right, we did it. So over on Patreon, for the $10 a month supporters, we didn't have nearly as many people enter, mainly because they didn't want a broken, not working drone. I can't imagine why. But one of the things I like about Patreon is we've got some people there who won't have any fear about tearing something down and using it for parts, which this thing has great parts in it. For our 5 entries there, I just did a random number drawing, and the winner is Curtis Campbell. Curtis has actually won stuff before, but I took a poll a while back on how we want to do the giveaways on the channel, so nobody seemed to have a problem with repeat winners, and I think pretty much everybody who was interested has won something before. So I'm going to ship this out to Curtis. I'll send you a message, Curtis, just double checking addresses and whatnot, and then get this shipped and on the way. And I'm really curious to see what you do with it. I've seen you fly around your house quite a bit. I imagine you'll have a new flight controller in this and have it flying pretty well pretty quick. So compared to last month's giveaway, this month's giveaway is 2 better. We gave away the E56 last month. We're going to give away the E58. It's kind of the same deal. This is a great drone, and if you are looking for a toy drone for kids or for family that they just want something they can fly around, record decent video, have okay FPV, it's not great, but it had a pretty good range. It was about 100 meters. And it's like 35 bucks. This thing was great. But again, it's not one I'm likely to fly again, so I'm gonna give this away. One thing that really surprised me for the E56 was it was the biggest giveaway I've ever done. It had the most entrants. There were over 1,500 people entered that. More people entered that than the Aomway Commander giveaway. I don't get it. but okay. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. There's going to be a link down below that you use. There's going to be either one in the description or the pinned comment will have a link to Gleam, and we'll do the giveaway there. Some people love Gleam, some people hate Gleam. I like that it filters through a whole bunch of fake entries. So this will be for our YouTube subscribers. This is available for anybody watching this video. You can sign up and win. You don't have to be a member or patron or anything. Just sign up and go. For patrons, I'm going to give away the ACC Reel 5. Is that what this was? Was it Reel 4? Reel 5? I don't remember. It took a little work to get this going because of some of the weird design, but it flew really, really nice. I loved flying this drone, but it's not convenient to work on. And most of the time when I reuse a drone, it's because I'm going to do something odd to it. Something like this, where I'm taking this and using it for another project. Spoilers. This one I'm not likely to do just because of what it takes to work on it. But for flying, if you just want something to fly, and then when you break this frame, you can put it in something else, this is a great little model. This frame is super tough, but eventually something might happen, and they don't sell parts for it, which is the real reason I can't really endorse the model a lot. It's unique, it's cool, but it doesn't have a lot of long-term longevity. So this I will post in Patreon, the same as I always do, and if you see that post, you can enter. If you're not currently supporting the channel on Patreon, it's not too late. There's a link for that down below, and you can go sign up, and you're totally eligible for this as long as you sign up. These will all end on July 6th. It's a little later than I would like to end the giveaways, but that's also the date the Aomways end, so let's just end them all at once. Speaking of Aomways, it's not too late to enter that giveaway. If you haven't done so yet, there's a link for that also down below in the description. So I honestly did not expect to hit the goal so fast for this. So inspired by Kickstarter, let's do some stretch goals. We're at 10,300 and something now, so 11,000 seems pretty reasonable. I might be surprised if we don't get there. So if we get to 11,000, I will throw in a fully functional tiny whoop. I don't know which one it's going to be. I need to go and look and see. I think I haven't actually reviewed all of these. It's not going to be this one. It's not going to be this one because this is a cheap toy. But it'll be a good tiny whoop. Maybe an LDARC. It might be this Beta FPV. I don't know. If we hit to 11,000, I'm going to include that along with the goggles. If we hit 12,000, I'm going to include a 2-inch drone. I'm not going to commit on which one it's going to be, but it will include a good 2-inch drone. Probably not going to be my Lizard. I kind of have some sentimental attachment to that. Again, it may be an LDARC because I have a few of those. Hey, guess what? 13,000 will include a 3-inch drone. Again, don't know which one it is. I have several that I'm still going to test. I've got a bunch of new 3-inch drones, so we'll probably give away one of them that I reviewed this month. At 14,000, we'll give away, I don't have a 4-inch drone. I actually don't have a 4-inch drone. What's up with that? So we'll skip right to a 5-inch. Same as I've said before, I don't know which one it will be. This is the B-Fight 210. I might give it away. I don't know if I'm ready to part with this one. I just don't know. I don't know. It'll be a good one. It'll be acceptable. It'll be free. How about this? If we get to 15,000, which is not going to happen, but I won't be sad if it does, I'll throw in the Phantom 3 SE. This is a great drone, but I have a Mavic now, and I don't need this one. So this is probably going to go somewhere at some point. So there are your June giveaways. Let's see what happens now. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know what I've reviewed. So what would you include along with the Aomway Commanders? There's a tiny whoop, a 2-inch, a 3-inch, a 5-inch options. There's only one Phantom. So until next time, remember, Fardo.